The three communities are historically related to each other. Three communities: Muslims, Christians, and Israelis, Jews. They have one common background. First position was of Abraham, to whom all the three communities claim that we are related to them, Ibrahim. And the second, Moses, and the third, Jesus. These are three historically related. There is no such relation found in other different religions or the communities of the world and at the university and the colleges. First position goes to Abraham and our Prophet Muhammad, according to the version of the Quran, claimed that I am Ibrahimi, follower of Ibrahim. And Christian people claimed that we are Ibrahimis. And the Jews claimed that we are Ibrahimis. Though Abraham is head of the three. When we sit together, we feel very pleased to see each other, people gathering from a common background. And such a relation is not found in any other line of the religions. So I welcome you. I pay tribute to you from the core of my heart. And first position is named as belonging and believing in the ancient testament. The ancient testament of Abraham. And then the Old Testament of Moses. Moses, who is considered as the composer of 5 books. And then New Testament. According to our faith and our belief and our historical background, first position goes to Abraham, and if his scriptures are produced, these could be named as Ancient Testament. Then Old Testament of Bible, and then the first Testament of Bible, including the 4 versions from the teaching of Jesus. So, please have belief and agree with this, that when we are sitting here, we are very happy from the core of our hearts, feeling and a common background that we are one and we are not a new one. We stand in the same line. And if you have to study this more, then I refer to my one book named as The Authenticity of Hadith, in which I have explained our common background where we do stand in the past. So I pay again thanks to you, to gratitude, and in future, whenever you find any time or you want to know anything about this religion, please, you are welcome. And don't feel that you have to get permission first or to send a writing first. Anytime you like. Our Minister of Religion is this, Minister of Religion. He is governing all of this mosque, the biggest mosque of Manchester. And there are our scholars here from different parts of England. We are sitting here as men of Manchester. He is sitting here as from London. He is also from London. He is also from London. So, it is our custom in our religion. When we make a dua, we raise our hand in this way. So at the end, I make a dua for me, for you, to give you success, to make you success, to confirm and to confer his success on you, all of you, the students, whether girls or boys. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad. آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. We request my Lord, give success to them in their studies, university studies, and any line of their studies which they can successful to them in the fields of life. La ilaha illa Muhammad Rasulullah.
Amin.
Thanks again.